Welcome to this lesson on how to use multiple Sage 50 companies on your reports. In this video, we will learn how to create a report that pulls data from more than one Sage 50 company. To begin working with multiple Sage 50 company files, click the XLGL ribbon tab, then click Connect. The connection panel will open on the left of the window. From the connection panel you can create and connect to different Sage 50 company files. See the How to Connect Your Company File video for more information on how to create a connection to your company file. The checkbox indicates the default company. That is, the company connection that will be used if nothing is specified in an automatic layout or in a worksheet function. However, as we will see, it is possible to specify exactly which companies to use. This XLGL table shows a chart of accounts along with the company name they're being pulled from. If we switch the default connection, then click Refresh, we see the list is now showing a different chart of accounts from a different company. We can switch back by repeating the same step. To force the table to pull information from both connections at once, open the Properties panel and click on Advanced. Uncheck the Always Use Default Connection checkbox. Check one connection you would like to use. From now on, when refreshing this table, it will use this connection, even if it's not the default connection as shown here. It doesn't matter which connection we choose on the connection panel, the table remains the same. We can also select multiple companies in the Properties panel. When we do so, and refresh the report, the table now shows data for both companies. Remember that all connections must be opened prior to refreshing the report. We can also specify a connection for individual XLGL worksheet functions. In this example, we have a list of revenue accounts for which we want to report income from two different companies. Note that we put the name of the connection at the top of each respective column. We select the first amount and click the FX button to open the function argument window and scroll down to the last parameter, connections. Every XLGL worksheet function has this parameter, which allows you to specify the connection to use. We will link the parameter to the connection name on the worksheet and click OK. We can now copy the formula to the other column to get our comparative statement. This has been a lesson on how to use multiple Sage 50 companies on your reports. Continue watching to learn more about XLGL and how you can use it to achieve outstanding reports.